As a homeowner with a garden, you'll know how important it is to have a lightweight and comfortable hedge trimmer to use. And this Ryobi hedge trimmer in front of me has got everything that you need. It runs off the ONE+ battery system, which means that it's going to have loads of power whilst being compatible with other Ryobi tools. It's been built with this linear handle, which means it's well balanced and ergonomic, and it means that you can use it at almost any angle while maintaining a straight wrist, reducing fatigue. This handle on the top also makes it really comfortable to use at all angles. It's got a 55cm bar here, which means you're going to get a really wide range of coverage, and with the 24mm gaps in between the diamond ground blades, you'll be getting a clean cut every time, and you'll be able to tackle those overgrown and large bushes as well as the small and neat ones. The included hedge sweep on the top removes debris as you cut, reducing your tidy up time after. And of course, safety is important. This has 2 switches you need to press before you can go, which reduces the risk of accidentally turning it on. Running off the ONE+ battery system, the battery used in this hedge trimmer will not only work in this, you can take it out and use it in things like your drills, your grass trimmers, even things like handheld vacuums and powered scrubbers. The ONE+ battery system has over 200 tools to choose from, and this battery will power them all. This is the perfect hedge trimmer for any homeowner, and if you buy it right now here at ITS, we've got an offer where we're going to give you a free battery and charger alongside this tool when you buy it. It's the perfect time to buy this 55cm Ryobi hedge trimmer. You can get it at its.co.uk.